My horse is about to take me to the top of the refrigerator to get some cookies. Meow.
You should throw me a cookie too.
Tyrone, you and I both know you don't deserve no cookies.
Please, LaBoogie, I'll be your lookout. I'll make sure no one catches you.
Okay, fine. Just make sure my daddy don't wake up.
LaBoogie, be careful.
Tyrone, I know what I'm doing. You better just be ready to catch.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here. Okay, now make sure my daddy don't wake up.
Hey, look! LaBoogie's on top of the refrigerator. I'm afraid she could fall and get hurt.
LaBoogie, how did you get up there?
That is so dangerous. How did you even get up there? You could have fallen and hurt yourself.